to the school.
Leaders like Ataturk or somebody like that, you need to eliminate these madrasas. You need to take some bold steps and say that religious education should be religious education, not just complete, I mean, look at what is happening. They eliminated, they attacked the Ahmadis, they're attacking the Shias, right, left, and center. They attacked Data Darbar. I mean, what is going on? This is not democracy.
It might be a little more socialist to say, but Bhutto came, whose party is running right now, they took over they nationalized all the schools. And why can't it be done? Nationalize all the madrasas, you're the building, you're the curriculum.
I think the government is working
they need to take
now.
bold steps. They're afraid of the Taliban, I believe, or they're afraid of the mullahs. They need to take some strong steps and say, we are going to fund these madrasas, we will give you normal education. You're going to get religious educations on a weekly basis. You're going to learn the namaz, you're going to learn the Quran, but you're not going to become Maulvis.
We have a very, very small window of opportunity, extremely small, before Pakistan becomes completely Talibanized, And I think we're trying to bring US government as a partner and everybody, and I think Pakistan has tripled the education budget within the last 2 years. They have. From 2.4 they went to 4.4, and now they are guaranteeing about 5 to 6% as education budget. NCHD is that one program. What is happening is that we try to take a consensus on the madrasas. Most of the madrasa administrators are willing to convert to regular education without changing their administration.
Something, because my country is very important. I don't want it to become another Afghanistan. Right. But I request the CEO Forum, which will be made up of the richest Pakistanis in America, to come up with the money and send it to Ms. Nafisa Shah.
There is a hope. There is by default. The potential is there. So this NCHD, I have been part of the NCHD from the beginning, been an active supporter. I think the strength of its scope is there. Its presence in 144 districts, I think itself tells. So we need to capitalize. The last I think 2 years, it has been a disconnect sort of, people didn't know what NCHD is going, where it's heading. So I'm glad you have come and taken time to share with us, what exactly is going on. We should be able to capitalize on those Pakistani Americans, and mashallah, they're all having big hearts and big pockets.
ہر جگہ ہر پل آپ کا اپنا سفیر پاکستان نظر آتا ہے. ناظرین تو وقت ہوا آپ کے مشہور سیگمنٹ لوکل گلوبل. ناظرین لوکل گلوبل میں ہم لے کے آتے ہیں مختلف شہروں سے مختلف سٹوریز. اگر آپ سمجھتے ہیں کہ آپ کے پاس بھی کوئی ایسی سٹوری ہے, پلیز ہم سے رابطے میں رہیے. تو آئیے دیکھتے ہیں کہ آج کے لوکل گلوبل میں کیا کچھ شامل ہے. ملاحظہ فرمائیے. لوکل گلوبل. حسین ہارون, سفیر پاکستان مشن UNO, کسی بھی تعارف کے محتاج نہیں. ان کی اپنی اعلیٰ کارکردگی اور حسن اخلاق کسی سے بھی پوشیدہ نہیں ہے, اور ان کے آباء و اجداد کا پاکستان بنانے میں حصہ وہ بھی سب پر نیا ہے. پچھلے ہفتے پہلی بار لاس اینجلس ویسٹ کوسٹ کمیونٹی کی دعوت پر, جس میں کوپا پیش تھی, دورہ کیا. ان کے اعزاز میں ٹاؤن ہال میٹنگ ہوئی, لیکن سب سے اہم ترین تقریب جناب قاسم مداد اور ڈاکٹر طباطبائی نے ان کے اعزاز میں دی. پہلی بار جناب احمد عدایہ محروم صاحب کو خراج عقیدت بھی پیش کیا گیا اس تقریب میں, جس میں عدایہ خاندان پیش تھا. یہ تقریب اپنی نوعیت کی اعلیٰ ترین تھی. ڈاکٹر احمد طباطبائی نے اپنی تقریر میں پاکستان میں ہونے والی دہشت گردی کی شدید مذمت کی, جس میں حکومت سے اپیل کی کہ دہشت گردی کی روک تھام کی جائے इमाम बारगाहों, मसाजिद, मंदिरों, चर्च और पीर मुरीद और मदारों पर भी दहशतगर्दी की रोकथाम ज़रूरी है। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान में जो मदरसे कायम हैं उनको बाकायदा एक बजट दिया जाए और उनको आला तालीम से आरास्ता किया जाए ताकि वहाँ पे वो गरीब बच्चे जो तालीम हासिल कर रहे हैं उनको दुनियावी तालीम से भी आरास्ता किया जाए और इसके लिए अमेरिकन पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी हर मुमकिन इमदाद करने के लिए तैयार है। नाज़रीन, ये तकरीब शुरू से आखिर तक भरपूर थी जिसमें कम्युनिटी के चुनिंदा लोगों ने हिस्सा लिया। आइए देखते हैं ये इवेंट।
Before we begin our program, I'd like to take the opportunity to recognize some of the dignitaries that we have in attendance tonight that we're very pleased to have with us. Ambassador Haroon, LAPD Chief Downing, President of COPA Adnan Khan, Dr. Lori Adrian from Coastline Community College, our representatives and friends from the media, both print and electronic, and all of our other distinguished guests. Thank you for being here tonight. I'd now like to invite our lovely hostess of the evening, none other than my mother, Dr. Meher Tabatabai.
I would like to begin by congratulating COPA. My husband and I are truly honored to host this event. We have hosted many events before, but none that has made us happier than this, because this is for two very special people. One is to welcome His Excellency Ambassador Haroon, and the other is to honor the late Mr. Ahmed Adaya, a great philanthropist. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our very own Begum Adaya, Chief of Police Mr. Downing, his wife, Mrs. Downing, Dr. Lori Adrian from Coastline Community College. I hope she was able to make it, and all our honorable guests. Thank you all so much for coming, especially on a weekday. We are privileged to have Ambassador Haroon amongst us. What a great person he is, and he comes from a great family known for their exemplary service and commitment to Pakistan. This evening is also dedicated to the memory of Mr. Ahmed Adaya, who was a figure larger than life, whose service to humanity is unparalleled. He established NISWA, New Horizons School in Santa Monica, the Adaya Award for Literature, and was a major supporter of the Islamic Center of Los Angeles. These are but a few examples of his many charitable contributions. His passing has left a great void in our community. I believe the best tribute we can pay him is to follow his example. And yesterday was his birthday, and I think today is such a special day that we could honor him today.
And now for the presentation of the Lifetime Achievement Award, I'd now invite Mrs. Amina Adaya, Ambassador Haroon, my parents, Dr. Tabatabai and Mr. Qasr Madad, and President of COPA Adnan Khan, as well as Mr. Salim Adaya, to the stage, please.
My dear husband was a pioneer of Pakistani Americans in California. He was the most generous and kind person and led the Muslim community to get involved in serving people, all member bearings. Thank you so much.
Ambassador Haroon, I would now like to request your presence to present the award to my mother, Dr. Tabatabai.
These days, Pakistan is always in the news, but not always positive. We are falsely labeled as terrorists, extremists, and fundamentalists. The true face of Pakistan is what you see present here today: peace-loving, progressive people. The Pakistani community in Los Angeles is full of vibrant, highly educated, high achievers who equally support and love both America and Pakistan.
I'm greatly saddened by the events taking place in Pakistan, especially the indiscriminate killing of innocent people, violation of human rights, especially those of women and children. As a physician trained to save lives irrespective of color, creed, or religion, I strongly condemn these acts of violence